Welcome to this amazing YouTube video featuring an incredible 26 feet tiny house built by Wind River Tiny Homes. This beautiful tiny house boasts a stunning exterior design that combines cedar and patina steel-clad siding, giving it a rustic yet modern look. One of the unique features of this tiny house is its exterior copper swivel shower, making it easy to rinse off outside after a long day. Imagine enjoying the fresh air while taking a quick shower outside. It's just one of the many clever and thoughtful design elements that make this tiny house a true gem. One of the standout features of the silhouette is its custom gym area, complete with an Olympic squat, bench rack and an integrated exercise floor. With gymnastics rings hanging from the ceiling, this is the perfect place to stay fit and healthy, no matter what your fitness goals might be. In addition to the gym area, the silhouette also boasts a cozy reading nook, perfect for curling up with your favorite book on a cold winter's day. The reading nook is located by the cubic mini wood stove, providing a warm and inviting space to relax and unwind. The kitchen boasts a range of features that make it both practical and stylish. The fold-down table provides a flexible and convenient dining area, while the shaker-style cabinets and open shelving offer plenty of storage space for all your kitchen essentials. The under-cabinet fridge and electric range are both modern and efficient, while the farmhouse sink adds a touch of rustic charm. And of course, the butcher block counters provide a beautiful and durable surface for all your food preparation needs. The patina steel pocket door provides a unique and stylish entrance, leading you into a space that's both luxurious and functional. The oversized shower is a true standout feature, with a Kumaru wood shower deck insert that adds warmth and texture to the space. The shower is adorned with beautiful limestone tile, while the faux wood tile flooring adds a touch of natural beauty. With plenty of space to move around, the bathroom is the perfect place to unwind and refresh. Whether you're getting ready for a busy day or enjoying a relaxing soak, the silhouette bathroom is sure to impress. So come on in and take a closer look. We think you're going to love what you see. As pictured, this stunning tiny house costs $89,500, offering exceptional value for money. Above the kitchen and bathroom, you'll find the cozy and comfortable bedroom loft. With a skylight overhead, the loft is bright and airy, providing the perfect place to relax and unwind after a long day. The queen-size bed frame is both stylish and practical, with plenty of space to stretch out and get a good night's sleep. Whether you're looking for a full-time residence or a vacation home, the silhouette bedroom loft is sure to provide a peaceful and restful retreat.